There you go. Dustin's got one. All right, guys. We're here in upstate New York. Here, I got the camera on.
Almost swallow him.
This might be a 4-pounder, Dad. This is a big fish. Me and my dad hooked up at the same time, but I was all the way back there in the corner, and my dad hooked up at the same time.
Dad
caught his on a Bass Pro Shops XTS jerk bait. That's 1.5 pounds, and this is 3.5, maybe 4 pounds. This bass. No, I don't have my scale. I caught him on a Strike King spinnerbait back in a patch of lily pads.
Well, let him go here.
Yeah. There he goes.
It's done right now.
Well, mine I've been dipping in quite often. So. Don't move, Dad, you don't have, really, there's yours. Look how big he is.
Now, I got an idea of how he looks. That one over there in the Twisted Dunes.
Oh, I see him. He's right there. Took my claw off. He's got it. Pike.
Oh, there he is.
It's a pike.
Oh,
look at him pulling.
You pissed me off. I haven't caught a pike on a freaking rod in here.
He's barely hooked.
Get him. Your net.
I know, it's a pike.
That's not fair, man. I've never caught a pike on a rod in here. Damn,
I thought that other fish I saw was a bass. There might have been 2 in there.
he's not a bad size.
That's a nice one. I'm gonna weigh him.
Where'd you see the other one?
I don't know. He might be gone now that I caught this one, but it's a nice pike. He's a 3-pounder, so I'm gonna pause the camera, get the hook out, guys, and get back to you. All right, guys, I caught this nice northern pike, probably a 2.5, maybe 3-pounder, on a Rage Tail Crawl Strike King bait. I thought there was a bass in there because I thought I saw another fish in there, but I caught it. It's torn up now. I gotta get a new one, but nice little fish there. Justin's gonna get his camera out, so I'm gonna give him some water real quick. And I'll get back to you guys with the release. All right, guys, 2.5, 3. It's a release with the pike. Oh my gosh, he's right under it.
Oh.
Paddle us a little more, we're blowing. He's a nice one though. Oh, he's a nice fighter. Again, he's got that sore on his mouth. Almost every bass I've caught has got a sore on the bottom of their lip. He hit the spook, guys. Get back to you with the hook out. Alright, guys, caught this nice 1.5 pound bass on the spook. Zara spook. I'm gonna weigh him just so we get the exact weight. Oh, 1.94. He's almost 2, guys. 1.94, almost 2 pounds. That's a really nice bass on the Zara spook. Let's get the release. Nice.
Big one.
Oh, not big, but it's a nice one.
Oh shit!
Shit, he got you wet.
Get the net.
Bring him over to me.
That's 2.
Yeah, it's a 2-pounder.
Hey.
Hey, there you go. Let some line out so I get the hook out and I'll weigh him. You gonna let some line out?
Oh, that's
It's a good one. He's almost the same size as mine, a little bigger. Oh, he choked it. He choked it. Good job, Justin. 1.89.
Fuck. Probably just long. Now let me see.
Give him some water. Alright guys, there's Justin's nice bass. Same size as mine. Or no, we're gonna get a picture of him.
Holy shit. Get that line out of the way. Fuck, 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 fuck.
Back paddle! What are you doing? Oh god, he's pulling. Gosh damn it.
Oh, that's fucked up. Just bring him in the boat.
He's still pulling. Oh, it's a good one. Don't jump. You're a good fish. Barely hooked. Yes. Oh man. That was a crush, man. He slammed that. Woo! That's a 2 pound plus 2.5 pounder probably. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the wait, let me see if I can just yeah, I can get it out right there. Alright, stop paddling, just keep us in here. There we go. That's a 2 pounder. Let me get the scale on him. Hit the Zara spook. .68. Over 2.5 pounds, guys. That was on the Zara spook. 2.68 pounds. It's a nice fish. Crushed that. Is he gonna jump too? No. Alright. It's my biggest bass of the trip. Or no, the other one I caught was bigger. Oh!
Right out there. You're bringing it. Good one?
Same size. Oh yeah. Yes, that's a 3. That's a 3 pounder. Boom, baby. Zara spook does it again. I hope I got that strike. That's a 3 pounder. He hit it twice, you see him? He missed it the first time. He's gonna be close. I'm gonna say 2 3/4. Don't do that. I gotta wait on him, guys. .85. I'm gonna try that again. See what happens. Yeah, 1.85.
Damn, you were hella off. You were off by
Nah.
a mile.
1.85, guys. Almost a 2 pounder. On a Zara spook. Out in the middle here. No, I caught a 2.68. Remember?
Yeah. No, the one that I called.
Oh!
God, all the way out there.
Hit it again. He missed it. He hit it twice.
Now he's waiting for the Cinco. He's waiting for the backup. He's like, where's that Cinco?
How did he miss it twice, though?